I just got a shipment from New York. Pretty sure I know what this is. It's the next book. Something Maybe Magnificent is a continuation of The First Magnificent Summer, a continuation of Victoria's story. She is dealing with her mom's boyfriend and really does not want this boyfriend to stick around. And it's basically what I did when my stepdad first came on the scene in my family. So this is a very personal story and a very funny story. And I hope everybody enjoys it. It's dedicated to my stepdad, so there is a happy ending, as happy an ending as there can be. Something Maybe Magnificent releases on May 28th. So be on the lookout for that. You can pre-order it from wherever you buy books, preferably a local bookstore, but Amazon and Barnes & Noble also have it. In the lead up to the publication, which is, again, May 28th, I will likely be giving some ARCs away. That's what these are called, advanced reader copies. Signed ARCs away to people who are subscribers to my newsletter. So be sure to visit racheltolson.com and sign up for my newsletter. And you might be one of those who wins.